Hello students, we will study SS history portion, and in the previous classes we completed the lesson explanation, and today we will solve exercises and question answers. So first exercise, tick the correct answers, that is MCQs. First question is, historians have divided history into 3 periods. The foundation of the Mughal Empire was shaken by the invasion of Nadir Shah. Next question, this battle of Panipat proved disastrous for Marathas. Third, the English East India Company's rule in India ended in 1858. Fill in the blanks. The company's rule came to an end in 1858. Archaeological remains form the primary sources of modern history. The revolt of 1857 almost shook the foundation of the British Empire in India. Fourth, dash drew the boundary line between India and Pakistan. Answer is Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Now tick the correct statement. Burma and Ceylon formed the part of the British Empire until 1937. This is true. The modern period is said to have begun in Europe in the 16th century. True. East Bengal is now known as Bangladesh. True. The 3 Carnatic Wars proved decisive for the victory of the English over their French rivals. True. The modern period in India began at the same time as in Europe. False. Now match the columns. In 1971, East Pakistan emerged as an independent nation named as Bangladesh. The period between 1919 and 1934 is known as Gandhian era of mass movement. 1761, Third Battle of Panipat. 26 January 1950, India became a sovereign democratic republic.